Hey guys, what's happening? How to sign up for AWS or OS account. So what you're gonna do, go ahead to your favorite browser and try to pin down OS, right? Stands for Amazon Web Services. So I'm gonna scroll a little bit down and I'm gonna see right here the official website, AWS, right? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and complete sign up right here. Right, and it's gonna take me to the portal, right, where I will sign up. Okay, so I'm gonna add my email and add the account name, then hit verify email address. Of course, you're gonna confirm that. Okay, RN3Y3H. Okay, now I'm gonna confirm that this is my email, right? 891957. Okay, and now you're gonna just create your own password. Once you create your password, you're gonna continue, right? Simply save, right? And sign up for their plan, right? You can use the free version, 6 months, receive up to 200 in credit, includes free usage of select services, all that stuff. And if you want a paid version, right, go ahead and choose paid version. I'm gonna choose the free plan. Of course, enter the full name, right, and all of the information, and of course you're gonna follow along the steps. Okay, I'm gonna enter right here the address, continue, personal account, forgot about that. Okay, our verification process holds $1 US or equivalent for 3 to 5 business days to verify your account and prevent fraud. Okay, so I'm gonna now pay $1, right, to ask for to ask for verification, right? And afterwards, you're gonna continue with the steps, and they will set up, or after they verify that you are not a fraud, they will approve your account, and now you're gonna be able to use the OS features easily. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.